welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be Vlogmas Day 2. Also, I'm in my sweater. I never wear sweaters, you guys, so we're in the spirit, I guess. I don't know. If you guys watched my Vlogmas Day 1, you know that I put my hair in braids last night, and they're not like that wavy like they usually are, probably because they weren't wet when I put them in, because usually I let them dry overnight, so that's how they turn out, like super wavy. I even sprayed it, but I guess it didn't like work out as good as it usually does. In my Vlogmas Day 1, only this like triangle of lights worked. This triangle of lights right here used to be right here, so that's why some is out, because it used to like go in. That cat is never on my bed. That is not Snickers. Oh my god, Emmy. You're never in my room. If you guys watch my... I must have scared her, I don't know. Still some out in this triangle because this is an old pair of lights and these two are new. So I'm gonna need to fix that, but it looks better than it did in Vlogmas Day 1. Anyways, for today's video, I've never done a Christmas wish list video. I don't know why that is. I didn't even know they were a thing until I saw people posting them literally back in November. So I guess I should make mine on Vlogmas Day 2 before it gets too late, because people have already been posting these for like a while now. And also I just want to put in there that everything on my Christmas wish list is everything that I could ever want. It's not things that I'm going to be upset if I don't get. I am very thankful for the things that I receive on Christmas, because I know some people can't even receive one gift, which is very sad. Basically everything on this Christmas wish list is only makeup or things for YouTube, because that's like the only things that I'm really into. Like I only have two hobbies. Number 1 on my list is the 35M Boss Mood Artistry palette. I'll have the pictures over here. This palette is so beautiful, you guys. If I could pick anything from this whole entire list, it would definitely be this. It's $24, which isn't that bad of a price. And by the way, when I look for things that I want on my Christmas list, I go from website to website, so it's not going to be like mix and match. It's probably going to be a whole bunch of Morphe, then a whole bunch of BH Cosmetics, and just like categorized. Next for Morphe, number 2 on my list is the 24G Grande Glam eyeshadow palette. This is again another gorgeous palette. It is original at $29. It's on sale for $25 right now. Next from Morphe is the Armed and Gorgeous eyeshadow palette. Lots of these are going to be eyeshadow palettes, but this is from the Jaclyn Hill Vault collection, and I actually don't like the other 3 eyeshadow palettes that are in the Vault, but this one I love. It's $15 and it's actually sold out right now, so hopefully they'll restock before Christmas sometime soon. Next, I went on to BH Cosmetics and I found another gorgeous palette. This is the Glam Reflection L'Amour. I don't know. This is original 16 for $12 right now. It's 25% off. You guys, there are so many deals going on right now. Next on my list from BH Cosmetics is the Sculpt and Blend Fan Favorites. I love their whole Sculpt and Blend line. I have their Sculpt and Blend 1, 2, and 3 sets. This is original $21. It's 30% off right now for $14.70, which is really good for all of these brushes. And I'm guessing that this is just like a pick of all of the brushes from all 3 sets that are favorites from like people. It comes with 10 brushes, and every single brush in this set, literally not even joking, is what I would pick out from all 3 of those sets, and that's why they're favorites, because it's things that people picked from those 3 sets. Again, from BH Cosmetics is the Naturally Flawless Finish Foundation. I actually have this foundation, where is it? But it is almost empty, as you can see. It's actually my winter shade, so I would be using it right now because it's obviously winter. And I am running out. This is in the shade 205 Fair Golden. Even when it's the dead of winter, this still is like the taddest bit light for me, so I would maybe go like 2 or 3 shades up from 205 Fair Golden. I've been into makeup for a rough 4 years, and if you do the math, that means I started when I was 12. I cannot promise that it was good, you guys. Yeah, that was me 4 years ago. And not that I never bought makeup with my own money from the years leading up to now, but I feel like last year's Christmas was when I really started to get actual makeup brands. Before last year's Christmas, I used to get like Five Below makeup and stuff. Not that anything was wrong with it. I think it's a really good makeup to start off and kind of like see if like you're really into it before you like go spending all your money on something that you don't even know if you really like. So yeah, last year I really went all out and bought from BH Cosmetics because that was the first drugstore website I found so I already have a majority of the things on here. Then I went on to ColourPop and I found this Perception Pressed Powder Eyeshadow Palette, and it's $18.40 right now, original $23. By the way, I don't own one product from ColourPop at all, so I never really tried the quality, but I see this palette literally everywhere and it's so pretty. If I were to customize a palette of all the shades that I love, it would be this. Also, something else that is on my Christmas list is the Lulumia Cleanser Solution. I bought a Lulumia a couple of days ago and I need the solution for it. It is like almost $30 for like a brush cleaner, which is really expensive for just the cleaner because the robot alone is like over $100. You're going to spend an extra $30 on just the brush cleaner that you're going to have to replace. It's going to be really expensive, but it's on sale right now for $20, which is still a lot. It is like a really big bottle, probably like 2 or 3 times the size of this. So you do get your money's worth, I guess. I don't know. I've been into making videos my whole life, and even last year when I wasn't really that into YouTube, I always recorded videos on my phone, but I never posted them. And last year I was shopping with my family, and in Target I saw this camera that was on sale for like a Black Friday deal, I'm pretty sure. And I fell in love with it. I didn't even know it was a popular camera. I didn't know YouTubers used it. But now that I'm into YouTube and I did some research on like cameras that people use and like what are good quality cameras, the camera that kept popping up is the Canon T6i, which is the camera that I saw last year that I wanted. Cameras are not cheap, you guys. The Canon T6i I think is around like $500 to $600, and that's when it's on sale. I am debating between the G7X, which is more of like a vlogging camera, so you can sit down to film with it and you can take it around and vlog, or the T6i, which is way better quality than this one, but you can't really take it around and like vlog with it because it is so big and heavy. So I am really stuck. I love both of these. I feel like this one I've wanted forever, and then this one came into the picture and it opened my eyes, and now I'm really confused. Also, I feel like asking for a camera for Christmas is a bit much because I have been willing to save up my money that I get from YouTube for a camera because I really want to put the money that I get from YouTube back into the quality, because I really want you guys to enjoy watching my videos, and I know most of you do. And I feel like how I can do that is through the quality of my videos, and so you guys can really get the fullest experience. Since I said I do want to improve my videos, I feel like another way that I can do that is better lighting. I do have lights that work. Yes, I don't need lighting, but I feel like a ring light just gives better lighting. I saw a ring light that I almost bought for $60, but it only came with like the circle, not the bulb, not the diffusers, not the stand. I found this one off Amazon for $100. It says it comes with an 18-inch ring light, and it comes with the stand, the diffusers, the kit, the charger, and it also looks like it has like a nice little like tripod thing in there to hold the camera. I've been doing research on ring lights for about 7 to 8 months now, and this is the cheapest one I've came across so far. The last thing that is on my Christmas list is any kind of microphone. I found this one in particular, but I'm not going to be too picky about a microphone because a microphone is a microphone, but I need one for like voiceovers and stuff. If I do a voiceover from my Mac when I'm editing, it is like really bad quality, and I feel like mics aren't that expensive. Like, I'm not asking for one of those like Blue mics or Yeti mics that are like hundreds of dollars. I'm just asking for like a nice desk microphone that you can like sit down and plug into your computer and just like record. I found this one for $20 and actually has really good reviews. It has 4.5 stars. So that was just a suggestion. Again, not going to be too picky on a microphone. So that was all that was on my expensive Christmas list. If you want to see what I actually got for Christmas, definitely be sure to be subscribed and turn on my notifications so you don't miss that video on the 25th. That was it for this video. I'll see you in tomorrow's vlog, and I love all of you so much, and bye guys!